Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. Now it's been a while for me, but I've been shopping. Okay, let's get started. Now all the items I'm going to show you came from my local Walmart store. And I love visiting the craft section and where they've got all the flowers and different foliage. Now I bought these two little bunches of leaves because sometimes I cut them up into smaller pieces and use it in some type of sewing project or making other decorations, putting them in vases and whatever. So let's move on to the next one. Now here's some more foliage. I really like this. Now if you want to stand it upright, they kind of can hang over a little bit. You can always put them in flower baskets if you want something to hang over the edge. And I just thought these were really, really cool. Not exactly sure what I'm going to do, but I really liked them. Now, I thought these hearts were really cool. Now, I like to go around my house and stick these in vases of other foliage that I have just to accent it. It's really fun to do it on an entry table maybe you've got a nice little flower arrangement there. Put this in and it just gives that little festive feeling. Now, one more thing I found at Walmart in their seasonal decor section, and it has a Valentine theme, and they are cookie cutters. Now, I don't bake, I don't know how to cook, don't care to learn how to cook, but I love using these templates for sewing projects, cutting things out and applicating them onto other things. So I thought this was a great find. These are novelty star buttons. Now I wouldn't really put them on clothing. I don't know how strong they are, but I love using them for other things that I'm making to either glue them on or sew them on. And you get quite a few in this little box. Here is some ribbon for Easter. Now this is a wide ribbon, it's probably 2 inches wide, and it has Easter eggs all over it. And then this one has Easter bunnies on it, and it's about 1.5 inches wide. Now you can use these to make bows to maybe put on Easter baskets that you like to make, or maybe you're making decorations to put on your door. And I believe these have wire in it, so it's easy to bend them in any direction. Now, the reason why I'm showing you these skewers in this particular shot with the ribbons is because these skewers I am using in an Easter project, which will be coming out maybe fairly soon after this video comes out. And so they're going to be used in different flower arrangements. It's got a pointed end on them, but I like to cut the pointed ends off when I'm using them because it's a little dangerous. And so these will be used. These are really fun. This is faux suede cording. And you can use this on a lot of things, maybe making keychains. I'm probably going to be using this to use as drawstring for a project I hope to do soon. Don't know for sure, but I kind of have it on my list of things to do. And again, this is from Walmart. I'm always looking for things to store little items that I keep either on the top of a table or inside a drawer. Now these come 3 to a set here, different colors. Like I said, I usually put them in a drawer to organize different craft and sewing items. This one, I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but it was like a perfect little size that I like to use. This is a large butterfly, and it's got a clip on the back of it. Now, you're wondering what can you do with it? Well, yeah, you could clip it in your hair, but I didn't want to use it for that. You could clip this on maybe to an existing decoration that you may already have. You can just clip it on or go ahead and hot glue it on. Walmart offers pre-cut fabric, and this comes in a 4-yard pre-cut size. And they have a lot of solids, and then maybe they might have some prints, but mostly I see solids. So I like to use white often on the back of a project. Let's say I'm making a table runner. I'll just stick a plain colored fabric on the back. Now, I have a lot of scissors in my room, but I can barely find one. So they're scattered, they're under things. I try to be organized, but it's really hard because I'm so busy all the time. And some of my scissors have gotten rather dull, and so I decided to buy a new pair. Now, Fiskars has some really nice small scissors. I like the small scissors for certain things. If I'm cutting something really little, I don't like using giant scissors. So these are really, really handy. Now, I bought notebook paper, and you're probably thinking, what does that have to do with sewing? Well, because I'm teaching you how to do things, I use a lot of paper to write notes on, sketch things out, and so I go through a lot of this stuff. Well, I hope you had fun watching my little shopping haul. Now, if you're interested in beginners sewing projects, you want to look below your YouTube screen in the description section. So scroll down till you see the word more or show more. Click on it, and that section will expand open and you will see all the links. Now, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and make sure you go and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl, this is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.